Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing extremely good. So guys, make sure you have like, share and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, those who wants to learn coding and those who are new to IT background. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn about the Python scope. Exactly what is scope? I'll give you a real-time example. For an example, you are going for a movie to watch a movie and you have booked a movie ticket for a particular theater, right? So you will only go to that particular theater, right? You will not change the theater, okay? Because that movie ticket is only valid to that theater. You cannot go to any other theater using that movie ticket, right? So that is a scope, okay? In general. So very first, we are going to learn the concept of local variable, and then we are going to learn a concept of the global variable. Let's get started. Let's take a simple example of addition A comma B, right? So I am going to add two numbers here, and inside result, I'm going to save the answer, and simply I will say print result, and I'm going to call my function, that is addition, and simply give two values. So basically 2 plus 1 will be 3. So it should throw an answer 3. Now what's the problem here is it is printing because I have declared my variable inside the function, right? I have declared my variable inside the function. Okay. Now, but in case if I will print the result outside the function, I am printing the result outside the function. And if I remove this print, what it will print, let's see. Now it will say result is not defined. Why? Because this is the concept of local variable. I have declared a variable called result inside the function. Okay. Hence, this can be used only inside. And I'm printing the result outside the function. That is not allowed because this is the local variable. If you want to print the result, you have to print it inside only. You cannot print outside. This is called as local variable. You can use that variable only locally, that is inside the function only. Now, what is outside the function, or you can say what is globally, right? Let's see what is global now. Now, very first, for an example, let's take a different example. Let's say message is equals to hi, how are you? Okay. Sorry, spelling of how was wrong. How are you? Okay, this is my message. Okay, now what I'm going to print is, let's say define any function, let's say greet. Okay, you can define any function. Now what I want to print is simply I want to print what? I want to print the message, and I will call what? I will call the function control plus F5, enter. Now what will happen is, why it is printing hi, how are you? Why it is not throwing an error? Because the previous program, I was declaring the variable inside the function, and that's why, and print statement, I was calling it outside the function. And that's why it's throwing, that's why it was throwing the error. But now what I'm doing, I have already declared it globally. Global means what? Outside the function, right? So I can use it anywhere, anyhow, right? Now that doesn't matter whether you print it inside the function or outside the function, okay? Now, but if in case, if I write one more message inside this, let's say hi, okay? So, and I will print again, let's say this is outside the function, outside message I will print, and here what this message it will print? Inside. Okay, control plus F5, let's see what happened. So basically here inside, what is inside? Inside is hi. So inside message is hi, and what is outside the function? Outside the function, which variable is there? Message. And what's the message? Hi, how are you? So this is how it works. Already I have created a variable called message, which is globally. You can use it inside also and outside also, right? That doesn't matter. But if you want to make one more variable name same, you can use it. I have given two messages. One is for inside function and one is for outside function. This is the difference between local variable and global variable. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Stay tuned, stay connected for such more content.